Good morning. Merry Christmas. It's your first Christmas. Are you excited? Lila, are you excited? It's your first Christmas. Merry Christmas. Do you have somewhere to be? Where are you going? Is it magazine time? Lila. Uh-oh. Lila. Is it magazine time already? Mama. Merry Christmas. It's your first Christmas. If you can't tell, it's the first Christmas. Lila doesn't care about Christmas. She's interested in her magazines, which seem to be very difficult for her to get. Lila. Mama. Okay. So much for this Christmas morning. Status quo in the D'Amico house. Magazine rack. We gotta go now. Wow! What happened? We'll take more video later.